Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Bgmi and going straight to Settings. Once there, pick Controls and set your jump input to tap or double tap to register quick inputs. Make sure your sensitivity is stable, and enter a custom training match so you can test without pressure. You do this because auto jump relies on consistent input timing and map context. Once done, position yourself near low obstacles and prepare to execute the only reliable auto jump method. You now practice the core sequence. Approach a low obstacle while walking or slow running, hold forward so movement is continuous, and tap crouch briefly just before you hit the obstacle. Immediately after the crouch, tap jump. This combination cues the engine to transition into the auto vault or ledge grab animation. Keep timing consistent. If you rush, you'll only stumble. Repeat across different obstacles until the gesture becomes automatic. To finish, confirm the sequence works across terrain and under real latency. You should be able to vault smoothly without extra taps. If it fails, recheck that your jump input mode is still tap or double tap and remove conflicting custom binds that override jump or crouch. Finally, restart the game or reset sensitivity if timing feels off. This fixes many input quirks. One tip: if you keep missing, slow your approach and shorten the crouch. Timing is the single crucial variable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.